Hurry.
Wake up. There's not lava laying. Oh, great save. That was going top 10. Really good move. Oh, good save. You're lucky you got a solid knee back there.
It's a tail.
Yes! You're gonna play it for a long time. No! Chief, you can't walk up. I'm back behind my net. You can't walk up.
No, you get the ball behind you.
Yeah, you get your ball behind my net. You guys can't put Chief on. I shoot when you guys are ready, but you're back behind the net.